Max was not an ordinary dog. He was the happiest golden retriever in the whole town. Every morning, as soon as the sun peeked through the curtains, Max would jump off his bed, wag his tail, and run to the door. It was his favorite time of the day. Fun time at the park. As soon as his owner opened the gate, Max dashed out like a rocket. His ears flapped in the wind, his tongue hung out, and his heart was full of excitement. The park was his little world, filled with kids, birds, and his dog friends. The first thing Max loved to do was chase butterflies. He'd jump, twist, and spin trying to catch one, but he never did. Still, he didn't care. It was all about the fun. Next, he'd play fetch with his favorite red ball. Sometimes he'd bring it back, and sometimes he'd just run around pretending he forgot where it went, just to make his owner laugh. But Max's favorite game was with his best friend, a small white puppy named Snowy. The two would roll in the grass, dig tiny holes, and splash in the little pond nearby. Once they even tried to chase a duck, but the duck was too fast, and both of them ended up falling into the water. Everyone laughed, and Max shook off the water proudly as if he had just won a medal. As the day went on, Max took a nap under the big oak tree. The soft wind brushed through his fur while birds chirped above him. It was his moment of peace after all the fun and play. When the sun began to set, his owner called, "Come on, Max. Time to go home." Max looked back at the park, wagged his tail, and barked happily, promising to return tomorrow for another day full of laughter, love, and new adventures. Because for Max, every single day was a fun time, a time to enjoy life, make friends, and spread joy wherever he went. And hey, if you love stories like Max's, full of smiles and animal adventures, don't forget to subscribe to Amazing Animal World.